Now, based on this, let us understand drainage pattern. What do you mean by drainage pattern? Drainage pattern means it is a geometric diagram or pattern formed by the rivers and their tributaries when they meet with each other or when they flow on the land. The type of diagram they will be formed, it is called as a drainage pattern. And we are going to see all. So we have a dendritic, rectangular, parallel, trellis, deranged, radial, circular, barbed. There are so many drainage patterns. Getting it? So let us understand this drainage pattern one by one. Okay. So drainage pattern, how this particular river is going to form, whether this river is going to form dendritic pattern or it is going to form parallel drainage pattern, will be dependent upon type of rock, type of climate, whether rock has a fold or it has a fault, whether it has a area has a high rainfall or low rainfall, whether temperature is more or less in that particular area, speed of the river, length of the river. These all factors are going to decide the type of drainage pattern in the particular area. Okay. So these are the various factors which will decide the factors, type of drainage pattern in the particular region. So first, a drainage pattern is a dendritic drainage pattern. Dendritic means what? Branches. Dendron means what? Branches. Okay. So this look like branch of the trees, tree and branches. So this whole pattern is looking like tree and its branches. Can you see over there? So this is called as a dendritic drainage pattern. So this type of drainage pattern forms when you have a uniform type of rock from source to the mouth of the river. There is no fold or faults in between. Smooth, continuous rock. Getting it? It is called uniform lithology. So example of this is the Ganga river. So Ganga river is flowing from uniform type of surface like alluvial plain. From origin to the end, it has a alluvial plain. There are no faults, no joints, nothing. So that is why dendritic type of drainage pattern has been formed on the Ganga river, Ganga plain. Litho means rock. So uniform type of rock. Either sedimentary rock from start to end, either metamorphic rock from start to end, either igneous rock, and there should not be folds and joints in between. Getting it? Okay. So this is called as a dendritic drainage pattern. Next type of drainage pattern is called barbed drainage pattern. This pattern is because of the river capturing phenomena. What do you mean by river capturing? River capturing means one river capture the another river, it kidnaps another river. How this kidnapping is going to happen? So you can see over here. This is river number A. So river number is A is flowing, let us say, in this direction. Getting it? Nearby, you have an origin of river number B. River number B is flowing in this direction. Slowly, headward erosion of river number B happens. Headward erosion means what? This river erodes in this direction. And finally, it erodes up to the river number A. So because of that, what happens? It captures the river number A. The direction of flow of the river number A changes and it starts flowing in this direction. So initially, river was flowing to upper direction. Now it had started flowing in the lower direction. This is called as river capturing or barbed type of drainage pattern. So this is the satellite imagery of Arun River. It is showing the barbed type of drainage pattern. So how do you know that river has been captured? So you know that tributaries, the way they meet, they show in which direction river is flowing. So for example, river is flowing in this direction. So all the tributaries, you can see these yellow arrows, they are showing in which direction river is flowing. So tributaries are joining like this. But now, here somewhere river capture has been happened and flow of the river has been reversed. So tributaries are still showing this direction, but actual river is flowing in this direction. Getting it? Okay. So this is how, this is a pattern of barbed drainage or river capture. Getting it? Okay. Understood? Next type of drainage pattern is a trellis type of drainage pattern. Trellis means what? In the garden, specifically in the Western countries, to give support to the vines, they put this type of iron trellis, steel trellis. So vines, they do not fall. They grow up on this trellis. So this pattern look like trellis. So why this trellis pattern is being formed? So you can see here, this is main river and its origin. It is flowing in this direction. And parallel to this flow, there are mountains parallel running over here like this. So tributaries are originating on these mountains and they are flowing in the straight line and meeting river almost in the 90 degrees. So it is looking like a trellis. This drainage pattern is looking like a trellis. Getting it? Okay. So this is called as a trellis type of drainage pattern. Example is Singhbhum and Chota Nagpur Plateau as a trellis type of drainage pattern. Third is a rectangular type of drainage pattern. In rectangular type of drainage pattern, the rock below, they have a joint. Rocks with a joints are there. You know, wherever there are joints, there is a 90 degrees angle between them, between the joint. So that's why here you have a rock joint and this river flows according to this joint. So they are flowing like this. They are taking 90 degrees turns. So that is why this is called as a rectangular drainage. क्योंकि यहाँ पे जॉइंट है, एक रॉक दूसरे रॉक को ज्वाइन करता है, so you have this 90 degrees. So river will flow according to the joint. नहीं हो सकता अभी. For example, you make 90 degrees, let us say line over here, and I throw water on that. Water will flow in that line. Same thing happens over here. Then radial drainage pattern, or also it is called as a hub and spoke drainage pattern. So here, what happens? There is a central dome of a mountain, and rivers origin from all sides of the peaks or domes of these mountains. Okay, they will emerge from all the sides. So it is looking like a spoke of a cycle or radial. So this is called radial type of drainage pattern. Example क्या है इसका? अमरकंटक प्लाटू, नर्मदा origin हो रही है, सोन origin हो रही है. Getting it? From all sides, many rivers are originating. Also Girnar in the Gujarat and Mekhir Hills in the northeast. They are example of radial type of drainage pattern. No, circular is different. Getting it? Okay. So this is called radial type of drainage pattern. This is circular. तो सर्कुलर में क्या होता है? सेंटर में जो डोम होता है, let us say this is a dome. So when river is flowing on this dome, it flows in the circular manner like this. And when tributaries come and join, they also flow in a circular manner and join the main river like this. So this is called as the annular or circular drainage pattern. So it is not very much visible in India, but Pithoragarh in Uttarakhand and Nilgiris in Tamil Nadu, they have this circular drainage pattern. Because there is a circular shaped dome. Getting it? So what is happening? So below you have a dome which is circular in shape. So because it is circular in shape, water is flowing in the circular manner. Slope is not very steep. Slope is very less, but it is circular in nature. If slope was too steep, then radial drainage pattern would have formed. But slope is not very steep. Like a shield volcano, let us say. Shield volcano we have seen. Height is not much. Cone height is not much. It is like a shield. So there it is possibility that circular type of drainage pattern will form. So just remember, rivers and their tributaries are flowing in the circular manner. So annular pattern of drainage. So Nilgiri Hills and Pithoragarh in Uttarakhand, you can find this type of pattern. Getting it? Okay. Next type of drainage pattern is a parallel drainage pattern. In parallel drainage pattern, rivers and their tributaries flow parallel for a long distance before meeting with each other. And when it comes closer to mouth, then somewhere before that they will meet with each other. So why this parallel drainage pattern happens? The first example is distance between origin and mouth is very less. So for example, Western Ghat and Arabian Sea. So rivers are originating on the Western Ghat, immediately they are meeting the Arabian Sea. So they are having very short course and they are flowing very fast. So there is no time to meet. So they are flowing parallel to each other. When it comes closer to mouth on the coastal regions, then they will meet with each other. Before that, they will flow parallel. So all the rivers of the Western Ghat almost have this parallel type of drainage pattern. Getting it? Okay. So this is called parallel type of drainage pattern. Then you have a deranged type of drainage pattern, the last one. Deranged means what? There is no pattern at all. Or somewhere a glacier is being melted. So from the different parts of this glacier, different streams of the rivers are originating. There is no one type of slope to the land as well. Slope is very uneven. So what is happening? Rivers are flowing in the multiple directions. Many lakes have been formed suddenly in between somewhere. Marshes have been formed, bogs have been formed. So this is no pattern. So no pattern is also one of the pattern, called as a deranged type of pattern. Getting it? So these are the important 6-7 patterns, drainage patterns of the river.